Brooklyn. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And about a month ago, we got pictures of the new Huff Nike Dunk joints, SB joints, and we knew it was supposed to like give a memorial to the late great owner of Huff, Keith Huffnagel or Huffnagel. I hope I'm not butchering his name, but not only give a memorial to him, but to represent two of the most iconic baseball teams, which is the Yankees, New York, and the other one, San Francisco. And off those pictures, I was feeling the San Francisco ones a little better, but I'm from New York, and I felt like I had to have these, man. The material of just pulling it out of the bag was super astonishing. Like, the whole upper is tumbled, man. This is a super dope shoe. So the way they released it was you didn't know which pair you were going to get. You just had to buy them, and either you got the San Francisco, or you got the New York, or you got the mystery. So you can see right here, the New York one turns into that tie-dye blue and gray in the back. The San Francisco one turns into that tie-dye orange and gray in the back. Or you could have got the mystery joint. And at the bottom, I love right here, it says, wait, what? That's like kind of the expression you get when you open something that's a mystery. You get something that you really wanted, or you get something that you didn't want. Wait, what? Is super dope. So yeah, man, I don't want to do too much talking. Let's unbox these things. Hit the music. Unboxing time. So before you can even get to this packaging, you get that Nike SB Quick Strike box that I've grown to love, and then they snatched it away from me and started giving us the purple ones again. So this is the Lifesaver Quick Strike Nike SB box. Green, blue, red, yellow, big Nike swoosh, Nike SB logo on it. And if you haven't checked out my last Soul Goods Nike SB video, a lot of people in the comment section saying it's not an SB. Hey, that's what they're calling it. Soul Good said it's a Nike SB. Nike saying it's a Nike SB. It doesn't have a fat tongue, just like the one we're about to review, but they're calling it an SB, guys. So it reads Nike SB Dunk Low OG QS, and there's no color code. I love that. The reason there's no color code is because you didn't know what color, what silhouette you was going to get. You didn't know if you was going to get San Francisco, New York, or mystery. So that's why it's no color code on the box at all. I like that. Flip open the lid. And one more piece of information. Y'all remember when Off-White came out with the Dunks and you didn't know what color you were going to get? People read the code, and that's how they knew what color it was. That's how they knew what to go for. So Huff must have learned from that. You got your SB tree bark paper. Someone tell me what this is. I'm going to keep going with tree bark until we confirm what it is. But that's the paper we get. And I'm going to start with the left shoe. Here's a 360 view. The reason I'm starting with the left shoe, because the left shoe reads Keith on the back. And I want to give my condolences to his family and all that. This is the owner of Huff, or the creator, or the founder. And they got his name on the back, Keith, in that nice script material font. I like that right there. And under that is the silhouette of my city, New York City. I feel like I wish they would have outlined it a little more in white, but you can still see the silhouette of the city there. See if y'all can see the tumbleness. Do y'all see the tumbleness on the back of the leather? Look, you got tumbleness on the back, guys. That is super crazy to me. Under that white tumbleness, then you got like your vintage creamy look. You know, vintage Yankees, vintage white. Make the sneaker looks very vintage. The color block in here. White, gray, blue. This blue back's head tears off and turns into the tie-dye colorway that I showed y'all earlier in the video. I like this gray swoosh because it looks like it could be nubuck, but it's also leather. But look at the tumbleness of the blue. Like, shattered backboard tumbleness in the back of that, man. Come around, you still see the tumbleness on the white. The tumbleness doesn't go anywhere, guys. The leather on this sneaker is immaculate. All the way around. Go to the toe box. You know I love a mini swoosh. We love a mini swoosh over here. Not only do you get a mini swoosh, it's chrome, guys. 3D chrome, just like a keychain. And the Huff logo behind it. This is super dope and super underrated when people talk about this sneaker. The tag on the tongue reads Nike SB, New York City, on a blue mesh, just like any dunk. They're calling these a SB though, but you don't get the fat tongue. You just get the regular mesh Nike dunk tongue. But that's in blue with some white, creamy, we can go off-white, cell white shoelaces. It comes laced in. The inside has that tennis green look. It reads Huff with a Nike swoosh just like the top here. In the back of the tongue is even, says 20 years of Huff. Try to get this to show. It's all the way in there, guys, but it reads 20 years of Huff in green also. The right shoe still has that green, but instead of Huff in there, it reads Nike SB. It also says the 20-year anniversary, and you can kind of tell this is an SB because it has that Velcro, not Velcro, that elastic pull tab on the tongue. So that's how you could kind of know that it's an SB. Besides it not having the fat tongue. The back of this one reads Forever. So the left shoe read Keith, the right shoe reads Forever. Still got the New York City silhouette in the back. Still got that tumbledness. But the right shoe comes attached with another shoelace, which is blue, New York Yankee blue, to represent the Yankees. Everything else is also the same, but I just want to focus on this toe box. If you look, it got the vintage brown and rust look around it. You can see it here on the shoelace holders. That makes this sneaker dope to me, man. Still says New York City on the tongue here. The bottom got your Yankee blue Dunk Air Force One SB look at the bottom. Both shoes here together, so you see it says Keith Forever. Almost said Kith. Keith Forever. The silhouettes doesn't change. The tumbleness is still there, guys. It's crazy. I ain't gonna lie, guys. I really wanted the New York pair, but if they'd have sent me the mystery pair, I wouldn't have been mad. And I got love for the Bay Area. We just would have had to deal with the San Francisco joints. But I'm happy I got the New York joints. It's been a while since we got like a New York Yankees colorway. It's always royal blue, hyper royal blue. This is like in a long time we haven't just got a Yankee blue. So I like that. SB been dodgering us crazy. Jackie Robs, SB Dodgers. Yankees ain't been getting no love. What I find ironic, if you do watch baseball, I don't really watch baseball unless the Yankees in the playoffs, but Aaron Judge is going to either San Francisco or the Yankees. And for them to have this two hairs, a little bit of a maybe I'm reading into it too much. But yeah, man, this is the review on the Nike Huff SB Dunks. I don't remember what retail is, but resale right now is only around $250 to $260, guys. I think that's a steal. I think there's a lot of people that wasn't happy with what they got, so they putting it up, and they just putting it up for the low. So if you want it now, I say grab it now. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich.